screen and get into it. So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So today we're doing market breakdown and we're gonna breaking down gold, USD card. We're gonna be breaking down gold, USD card, Euro JPY and GBPJPY. These are the four pairs we're gonna be breaking down. So we're gonna start off with gold because gold is like a very good pair. It's just like it stops people out a lot. Like on Friday we did a very good buy trade which I posted out on the free Telegram channel. So if you're not on my Telegram channel, make sure to use the link on this video to join the Telegram channel. So I'm gonna break down gold so like everyone is gonna understand what's gonna happen next week on gold. So looking at gold from the daily time frame, we can see gold coming back to this level of 2006. It's coming back to 206, right? So we're gonna have our resistance level marked out on that level, which is kind of what I call a psychological level, right? So we have 2006 psychological level. Now if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that gold kind of like did a breakout on this level. This is the retest on 1940, then market started to spike back up again. So we're going to be expecting gold to either push back up to 2050 or we might expect to see sells from this level. So right now we go to daily time frame, you can see the structure. If you watch out for the structure, you'll see this structure is still giving us a buy structure, which is low, high, low, high, low, high. So we're still expecting gold to keep doing that if it should break this level here, because this level is kind of like a major level on gold, which is 2006. Then if you scale down to the 4-hour time frame, because I tend to use more of the bigger time frame now, because I just realized there's a lot of noise on the lower time frame, which can be very risky, especially when you're trading gold. If you don't look out on the bigger time frame when you're trading gold, it's gonna mess you up big time. Like for example, on Friday, on the 1-hour time frame, gold formed something like a triangle, right? It kind of like a triangle formation, something like this. What am I gonna say? Something like this. Something like this. All right. Let's pick it from here and the bar. So okay, let's pick it from this point to this point, right? Then we'll pick this from this point to this point, right? To this point. So immediately I saw this, I knew that gold was going to buy back up to this level. On a normal day of trading, if I just come to the chart and I just want to like trade what I see, I'm going to be using the fib, because I will say this is high, this is low, this is high, this is low. Then I'm expecting the market to pull back. I'm going to expect the market to pull back to this level, then I start selling, which the market eventually got to that level. If I should start selling here, which you can see the market did a little bit of a sell, then went back up, right? But I decided to like, okay, let me watch out what is happening in the 4-hour time frame, look at the market from a different way, not just what is just happening. I just try to look deeply and see, okay, what is happening, what is really happening, because gold tends to sell a lot of traps for traders, but we don't know that. So that's just explaining what happened on Friday. So sorry, gonna put this back, gonna delete this, delete this. So now looking at gold from the 4-hour time frame, we can see that gold retested this level. That's why I also like to have my psychological level marked out, because if I had my psychological level marked out, I would have seen this on the 4-hour time frame that gold is just coming back to retest this level of 1991, which my entry is going to be somewhere around there at this candle closure, and my stop loss is going to be way below 24 pips on the 4-hour time frame, which is very, very crazy, which is going to give you almost 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 risk reward if you're trading with a bigger time frame and you watch out very well sometimes. Okay, so now on gold we have this level that we're looking out for to see what's going to happen on gold when it gets to this level of 20006, right? Level 2006 on the mind. Then now we can still bring in back our fib, because we had this high, low, high, low, high, low, right? And now, so the only reason I'm gonna use fib is because I am waiting for gold to like respect this level here, which is if I'm using my fib right now from this point of A to this point of C, right? Now on my fib, we can see that gold already closed above, right? But that doesn't mean that the market might not sell from this level, because it's still around this level, right? We might still see a possibility of the market doing this, retest, then drop. But now, there's not much momentum in the market, so we're gonna be very careful whatever we're doing on gold. So what I think will happen, or what I can see that's going to happen on gold from the bigger time frame, is this. Look at this level, how gold retested it beautifully. Gold came back to retest this level, very beautiful. So the only thing we could do is wait for gold to get to this level, give us a good candlestick confirmation, then we can be looking to sell gold from this level way back to this level. But regardless of that, we are not overlooking that gold is still buying. It's still buying in massive uptrend. So we're not going to ignore that. We're just waiting for gold to see if gold could rally up to this level, then drop. Or if we see gold open this way, gets to this level first, that means we're expecting gold to drop back down. But if gold should open and comes back down to retest this level, that means we're buying gold to 2006, which is going to give us a good 100 pips. I think it should 90 pips straight. So watch out on gold. Make sure you just watch it out. I'm still looking out for nice buys on gold. If I should look at the 30 minutes, still some nice buys on gold. It's just gold coming to retest this level, so we might still see some nice buys on gold. So watch out for gold. I'm still expecting buys, and I'm going to give you guys an update on when I'm about to take the trade. Then going to USD card, I already did the mark out on USD card. I'm just going to take you guys through it. So on USD card, I had this resistance level support that has been broken, and you can see candlestick confirmation right here, and you can see this huge sell. So what I'm expecting is some pullbacks into this level or into this level. Then we can start shorting USD card, because from the weekly time frame, it's giving us huge sales confirmation from this level way back down. So we're gonna expect like a pullback, then boom, we're going to the downside. Then we look at GJ. GJ did very well last week. He did some amazing move. GJ was crazy. It did like up to 300 pips. It was very, very crazy move, and I missed it out because I was just waiting. Okay, because it's Asian session. Let me just wait out and just wait for for London session before I take the trade. Then I missed out the whole move. It just went way up. So GJ from the 4 hour time frame, a lot of people are saying they are expecting sales. I'm not expecting sales yet on GJ until I can say it closed below this level, give me a pullback, then a candlestick confirmation. Then I'm gonna sell just to this level, because I'm not gonna sell blindly way down here, ignoring this level here, because there's a level here. So you need to trade from one level to another level. You don't just trade way to somewhere you don't know. So I'm gonna wait for market to break below here, give me a retest, candlestick confirmation, then I'm gonna sell to this level, which is gonna give me a good risk reward. This is about 60 pips, which is a nice good risk reward. Or we can decide to take out this wick right here, which is gonna give us like 100 pips trade. That's what I'm looking at for GJ. Watch out for GJ. Wait to see the market break below, retest, candlestick confirmation. Or we can see this, comes here, gives us a buy confirmation, then shoots back up. Because on the weekly time frame, it's still giving us like buys, right? So, but it can't just start buying. It needs to pull back. That's why we need to wait for the pullbacks, get this level, then we can shoot up. Okay, so GJ, I'm expecting it break below, gets to this level, we can decide to go for buys, or gets to this level, we can decide to go for buys. So, but regardless, you don't have to go against the trend, because right now it's an uptrend. If we're selling, it's going to be short-term sell. Then Euro JPY. Actually, I'm not going to analyze this pair because I just want you guys to do it. You guys watching my video right now, I just want you guys to analyze this pair. Send it to my DM on Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. If your analysis should correspond with what I'm looking out for on Euro JPY, I'm gonna give 2 people free access to my VIP so we can trade. So do your analysis, send it to me on Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, anywhere. If your analysis should correspond with what I'm looking out for, then I'm gonna give 2 people free access to my VIP.